Welcome to our channel. Managing location settings on Instacart is important for privacy, while still allowing the app to function properly for deliveries. Follow these steps to configure your location preferences. Step 1. Open your device. Settings app rather than the Instacart app to access system-wide location permissions. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Applications to view all installed apps on your device. Step 3. Find and select Instacart from the list of apps. Step 4. Tap on Permissions to view what access Instacart has to your device features. Step 5. Select Location to see the current location permission setting for Instacart. Step 6. Choose between Allow Only while using the app, Ask Every Time, or Don't Allow based on your privacy preferences. Step 7. Consider selecting Allow Only while using the app for a balance between functionality and privacy. Step 8. Note that completely denying location access may limit Instacart's ability to show nearby stores and provide accurate delivery estimates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.